Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. For today's video, I've created this smoky brown look with a pop of yellow. If you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. First, I am going to go in by using the Daisy Marquez palette in collaboration with BEIGE Cosmetics, and I am starting off with the shade Dulce. This is such a gorgeous transition shade, and I am popping this shade all over my crease. As you can see, I am gradually building up its intensity. Now going in with another palette. This is a BEIGE Cosmetic Ultimate Matte Palette, dipping in the chocolate brown shade, and I'm going to use this shade to start to create a bit of a shadow and depth into the look. I went ahead and cut my crease off camera. Then I'm going to set my lid with the shade Flower from the Daisy Marquez palette. I am going to pack a darker shade from the Ultimate Matte palette to my outer corner and diffuse the line. Now we are moving on to the face. I primed my face already using the Benefit Professional Primer. For foundation today, I am taking the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Stromboli. I am going to blend that out using a damp beauty blender. For concealer today, I am using the NARS Natural Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard to brighten up my under eyes, and I am blending that in with my beauty blender. For powder today, I am going to pick up my Laura Mercier translucent powder with my beauty blender to set my foundation and concealer in place. Now I'm going to carve out my cheekbones and bronze up my forehead using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. To get a little color back onto my face, I am using the Sephora Collection blush in the shade Heated. Going back into my Ultimate Matte palette, I am picking up the dark brown shade and I am blending that color on my lower lash using a Sephora Pro Shader brush. Switching it up to a Sephora Smudge brush, I am adding a black shade to smoke out the lower lash. For lashes today, I am using the Stella lashes in the style Drama. Now for highlight, I am using the AMREZY highlight. It's my favorite at the moment and I am going to apply that using the Anastasia A23 brush. Now going in with the ColourPop lip pencil in the shade BFF, I am lining and filling in my lips. I am now topping it off with a gloss from DIOR and this is in the shade number 2 Beige. To lock everything in, I am going to use a MORPHE setting spray. And this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up and hopefully I see you in my next one. Bye guys!